For our retail business, which billing software we need to purchase? In the market, there is lot of softwares are available and it is messed out already. But we need to find out a user-friendly software, best features, best customer care support, everything. So let me introduce you the Retail Daddy billing software. Why we need to choose Retail Daddy? What is the reason? The first reason is that the dedicated customer care support, the installation, the training, the support, even the hardware installation, everything RAINTECH customer care team will do for you. And in the dedicated manner, there is a supervisor, there is a manager, everyone is there to help you, to support you. So first of all, let me go to this software. You can see this interface, the beautiful interface. And in India, you will see one and only software with dual panel interface, dual sales panel interface. For example, here you see there is two sale panel you will see over here. Let me show you the first one. This is the traditional sales panel. You will do all the barcode scanning and you will do the searching like that. And you will do all the sales like that. Okay. And let me show you the other sales panel, this one. This one. So beautiful. Even the bakery items and beverages, everything, you can just touch it like that. And you can just click on the pay button, click on the cash button, and click on the enter button. Your bill is ready. And here, click on the F6 and your invoice is ready here. So such a simplicity is there in this software. And in the sales panel, you may notice that the image, the product images as well is available. For example, if you choose any product like that, the product image, it will display over here in the right side. So your salesperson will be much understand which product he is going to sell. So, and you can see all the informations over here. And in this software, you will get one additional features, the beautiful features that direct sales. In most of the softwares, the product which we added to the inventory, that products only we can do the sales. But in this Retail Daddy software, if you go to the direct sale panel, you can type any product name, for example, mouse, which is not even added to this software. Click on enter, the quantity button, 10 pieces, price 250 rupees, enter. See, it's came to add to cart again. So keyboard, I type it like that, and 2 pieces, and 250 rupees, whatever it is, just add it like that. So you will see the amount over here, see. Here 1 pieces I added from this sale panel, just I will remove it, and I will go to the direct sale panel. See, 2 items here we added. Even both together we can do the sales. That of course we have the features there. Let me show you that option. Here let me print out this one. See, this printout is there, you can see. Click on that, your print is there. Let me show you the other options like just some products we added and we are selling those products we already added. See, let me add 2-3 products like that. And you can see the image as well in the right side of this screen. And some products I am going to add which is not even added to this software. The inventory which we not added. So we will go to the direct sale panel and we are typing here. For example, powder, talcum powder. Yeah, I will just powder. And click on enter, quantity 2 piece and 50 rupees rate. And again face cream. And enter, quantity is 2 pieces, price is 300 rupees, enter. See, this both item came here. So in the subtotal, you will see the both. The direct sale product total and we added and sale product. Both we can see over here. and the margin we can see over here, which with those products all are already in the inventory. So the total amount is displayed over here 709. Click on cash and see one invoice already here at the direct sale invoice. You can print it like that. As soon as you close this invoice, your another invoice will be ready. The inventory invoices, you can do the printout like that. See, such a beautiful technology we implemented with these softwares. And in this software, there is a salesman control systems are there. Here we can add multiple salesman. For each salesman, for example, one invoice we can add multiple salesman in this software. That control is there, and we have another option is that for the products which we are selling for different products, different salesman commission we can set in this software. In the utilities, here you can go to the product bulk editor. In the last, you can mention the salesman commission over here. For example, 5% commission for this product, 10% commission for this product, 15% for this product, and you can just save it. Okay, so it is already saved over there. See? And the first one not saved. Let me save it again. 5%. Save. Yes. All this saved. And if we are selling those products for that particular salesman, for this product corresponding commission, it will be added. So the detailed video, you can check it on my YouTube channel. The salesman commission option in this retail daddy software. And let me go to the second sales panel. Let me experience with you. Here you can see all the main menus. For example, if you click on the bakery, you can see all the bakery items. If you click on the beverages, you will see all the beverages items. If you click down like that, vegetables, you will see all the vegetables items. For example, if you want to sell any products, for example, beverages, just click on that. It will come to the add to cart, and in the right side here, the bottom side, you will see the save button, the pay button, and click on cash. And click on yes, and your bill is displayed over here. Click on F6 or click on here, both options is there. The invoice is ready with you. So you can see the invoice which is here already. See? The beautiful, extremely sharp invoice. See? So beautiful. And in this Retail Daddy software, you have a facility for multiple invoices. For example, you have at least around 10 invoice format is available with software for the 3 inches, and around 10 invoice formats templates is available for the A4 size. Another 10 invoice templates is available for the A5 size. You can see all this invoice, beautiful invoice, which is already inbuilt in this software. That's the technology we build with this software. And again, we are going to going to some marketing features, because marketing is also important in retail business. Let me show you something. First of all, let me show you the artificial intelligence technology which we implemented with this software. So let me go to the utility over here, and here product catalog image update. Utility here, product catalog image update. Here you will see all the product, and corresponding image you will see over here. So you may think that these images I upload manually. No, never. We have artificial intelligence technology is there. So just tick all product or some specific product over here like that, tick mark, or you can tick some category wise also. You can product wise or category wise also. You can select some products. And here, this is the artificial intelligence technology. I click on that button, all the products. For example, I tick on some products. All the product images will automatically update in this software. See, it is updating one by one. So this is the technology what we build with this software. So what is the use of that image what we uploaded? There is multiple usages is there. For example, in the secondary sales panel, all these images is coming through AI technology. We adding just inventory to the software. The images is coming directly with the help of artificial intelligence technology. Let me close this one. Let me show you something else like catalog technology. In the utilities, you go to the product catalog, and here let me choose some products like that. Let me choose some products, and I will show you the magic. What is magic is going to happen with you. Let me show you some products I choosing like that. Let me choose it. Yes, yes. And here, there's a multiple styles of catalogs are there. And there is already template is inbuilt. Click on the catalog view. See the magic. The PDF catalog is ready available here. You add one more product, so it will be looks more beautiful, comfortable. View catalog. See the beautiful technology. There is thousands of templates we can edit on this catalog. Catalog view again, and let me see this one. We added 10 catalog templates already in this software, and we can design unlimited catalog in this software. And what is the use of creating this catalog? You may think that. Yes, of course, there is. We have a usage. Let me come to that point. See this one? So beautiful. Here the header, everything we can do the customization. And the product images, price, everything is there. See? And we can save this catalog as a PDF file to our desktop, like see it, catalog, something like that. Save it. I save it in the desktop. Let me show you. Close it. Yes, this is the one. And here there is an option we have. We can send this catalog to all our customers through WhatsApp technology. We added already WhatsApp engine to this software. In the RAINTECH software, the WhatsApp, the personalized WhatsApp you can connect. Like for example, your own WhatsApp, you can connect with RAINTECH Retail Daddy software. So what is the specialty of that? You can send unlimited messages with a zero cost. That technology we implemented with this software. And again, we are going to the UPI payment technology. Most of the UPI payments, like Razor Pay or whatever it is, if we are adding to the software, they will take a service charge. But we implemented those technology that your own UPI ID you can add to this software, and in the you can add a secondary display with this software. And each sale, you will get a dynamic QR code in the secondary display. The customer, he can scan it and he can pay the money. Once he scan it, of course, the customer, he can see what amount, the total amount, everything he can see in this mobile itself. Just put the password and make the payment. And what is the advantage is that this kind of UPI payment, no need to pay any kind of service charge. Automatically, directly within a fraction of a second, this amount will reach to your bank account, whether it is like a current account or savings bank account, whatever it is. And for a businessman, it is more important is the reports and records. You will get all the reports and records in this software. See all the records. Entire reports you will see, and including tax reports, GSTR1, GSTR3B, all this kind of reports you will get from Retail Daddy billing software. And there is some other advantages is there with the Retail Daddy. For example, you have a godown. In the godown, you can install this software and you can make all the barcodes, labels, everything for your products, and you can transfer the stock to the multiple branches from this software. And the godown, we make all the barcode labels. The same barcode will work in all the branches. This kind of multi-branch technology also we implemented with this software. Basically, this is an offline software. For this kind of special features, we need the internet. For running, for like make the billing, to make the invoices, those things you no need for a internet, unless otherwise. For example, if you want to make some WhatsApp messaging or to someone, that situation you need internet. Unless otherwise, no need. And the main speciality, again, I will tell you, the barcoding technologies. We have made a lot of barcoding features in this software, and here we recently added the self. You can do design your barcode labels by yourself. For example, let me show you in the inventory. In the inventory, like go to barcode. Here there is a design technology, drag and drop technology, everything we added over here. See, even QR code technology we implemented. See this one, with a one click the QR code came to your barcode label, and you can add all the dynamic field over here. All the dynamic field is there, and fixed field dimensions, everything. As bartender, all the features we added, and you can do customization for your product barcode design. You can do the customization, and as you like, you can design even, for example, the size 2 by 2 inch, 2 by 3 inch, whatever the size. No need to worry, all the size barcodes you can create with this software. That's the technology we implemented with this software. And in the POS revolution, POS technology, what are the advanced technologies there? That those all technology we implemented with Retail Daddy billing software. And finally, let me conclude that you will get dedicated customer care support from Retail Daddy customer care team, like RAINTECH Software Limited customer care team. RAINTECH Software Limited is a public limited firm. We started on 2016, and the RAINTECH, and RAINTECH become public limited on 2020. So this is the journey what we have done, and we have more than 57,000 customers range all over India plus abroad. We have the same VAT edition also for foreign customers, and this is a GST edition for Indian customers. Other softwares also we have like medical shop, restaurants, such kind of softwares also we have. So all this kind of POS retail business things, you can contact us on this number 80783119945 or 86060931110. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.